Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Onlys, and on this video I'm gonna guide you how to add photos in My Eyes Only on your Snapchat. To get started, you need to hop into Snapchat application. Make sure to sign in on your Snapchat account. Then you need to tap on the double cat-like icon at the bottom left corner. Now on this section, you need to select any photo you'd like to add in My Eyes Only on your Snapchat. Simply you can tap and hold the particular photos. If you want to add multiple photos, you can simply tap on the multiple picture. So on the bottom of the screen, you can find hide option. Simply tap on hide and now tap on move. So this will basically move to My Eyes Only. Tap on move and now here you can see that those photos has already been added to My Eyes Only on Snapchat. So this is how you can easily make your photos and videos private on Snapchat by adding the photos or videos in My Eyes Only. I hope you found this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell of our channel so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Thank you guys.